Bobo. Hi guys and welcome to tijupa.net. My name is Elaine. I know I promised you guys an episode on the economy of Haiti. I am still working on it. This is a short episode on the 2010 elections. I wanted to tell you guys about the candidates who are allowed to run for the presidency. The first big news concerns Wyclef Jean. He will not be able to run since he does not reside in Haiti. In the first episode, I predicted that 20 to 25 candidates would be allowed to run. The Electoral Council decided that 19 candidates had the necessary requirements. Here is a list of the candidates who will participate in the elections. Ablard Axendelson, Alexis Jack Edward, Anacassis Jan Hector, Charles Henry Baker, Joseph Bijou, Jan Henry Sion, Jude Celestin, Eric Charles, Eve Christalin, Judy Wilson, Chavin Jun, Leon Jun, Joseph Junard, Lager Garodi, Merland Manigat, Martley Michel, Neptune Yvonne, Voltaire Leslie. Congratulations to them and good luck. The other episodes will not be animated. I decided to give it a try, since this is an improvised episode. 15 other candidates were not allowed to participate, mostly because they did not meet residency requirements. From now on, no rejected candidates can appeal the decision of the Electoral Council. I hope you enjoyed this mini-episode. In the next one, I will talk about economics, especially the development of Haiti. Before I go, I would like to tell you that you can send me questions if you want. They can be about economics or Haitian politics. I will be glad to answer them. Just leave me a comment or go to my website. Thanks for viewing the previous episodes. I am glad you enjoyed them so much. I would be happy if you guys could leave some comments of encouragement on YouTube, or on my website. If you don't like them, please let me know too. Once again, my name is Elaine from tijupa.net. Bobo.